In today's first reading, we read about Saul, and we hear that Saul has been a persecutor of Christians. And then it tells us the dramatic story of his journey to Damascus, when a light from the sky flashed around him and he fell to the ground, and then he heard a voice saying, "Saul, Saul, why are you persecuting me?" And Saul says, "Who are you?" And the reply came, "I am Jesus, whom you are persecuting." So Jesus says, "Get up and go to the city, and you will be told what you must do." Paul is struck blind. He goes to Damascus. He's unable to see. And he neither ate nor drank, as the story tells us. This reading is often interpreted as Paul's conversion from Judaism to Christianity. In reality, it wasn't. It was rather a change in Paul's mission in life, from being one who persecuted Christians to one who embraced Christianity and spread the good news of Christianity around the Mediterranean world. Each one of us has a mission in life. Ours is not as dramatic as Paul's, perhaps. There are things that we are called to do, big things and small, on a daily basis. And our calling changes throughout life. And so today, I invite us to discern on a constant basis, whether we're 8 years old or 80 years old, to engage in that listening and discernment to determine what the Lord is asking of us today, to determine what our mission is today in spreading the good news of the gospel. What does Jesus want from us today, and what will he want from us tomorrow?